They knew it, right? So it's little dragons, no exceptions. You got to have all your tips, and then you got to know your material, okay? And they knew it, everything. I went through the whole test for them, and they knew it all. So good job, you guys. So take off your belt. Let's go. Being that they did so well, they get their belts today because Miss Tracy is on top of it. Hang on. You got to undo it, man. Well, he knew everything but how to take off his belt. That's all right. That's not taught in our curriculum, although it was shot in a videotape. Parents, you guys get that videotape? How to tie a belt? How to tie a belt 101? All right. Okay, grab your belt, hold it above your head. Grab the belt, hold it above your head. Grab the belt, hold it above your head. Don't look cute when you break. When I tell you to break, keep out nice and out. Ready? Break! All right. Turn face me, catch it. Back. Turn around. Everyone stand up. Let's go. Set. Attention. Face your knees. Dragon. Blue bell. Attention. Bow. All right. Hey, you guys, we're not going to break our line right now. So just say, give them 2 claps like this. Say, you rock. You rock.